Hey, what's up, YouTube friends and family? It's Cousin Ryan.
It's Ryder.
And we're going to replace the gasket along the firewall here. It's just a little angled gasket. And this piece of metal we got out of the junkyard because when I removed the old gasket, I just assumed when we got the new one it came with new metal because it was so thin and flimsy. But it doesn't.
Shut up! You don't think Ryan is famous?
Cousin Ryan.
You gotta...
I am the engine now.
You are.
I'm not the captain. I'm the engine.
Let me see something. I just want to see.
That lines up pretty good.
I think I'm just looking at where these dimples go.
Oh.
I think they go down.
I think they go up.
Really?
Try it.
No, because it'll go.
Oh yeah, because there's this.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I think you're right.
Yeah.
Sorry, I don't always mean to sound like I have an opposing opinion, but
No, you do. I know how you are.
It's right. It's like starting conflict.
Mm-hmm. Wipe that off all the way across there. Gasket goes across here like this, and that metal will hold it in place. Okay? Now the gasket does not have holes in it.
So we gotta kind of make our own holes.
Yeah. So
I think it's supposed to go like this.
let me see something, bud.
Yeah.
This one. Okay, so that's longer than. Okay, move the metal piece. And let's just see. Okay, hold it, stretch it across there where it goes. Is it touching the fender?
Yeah.
It is?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I think that's how.
Like this?
Yeah, that's how it's going to go. So,
Now we just gotta kind of.
hold that across there. Right in place.
Well, it's bent a certain way as well.
What's that?
This is bent a certain way already.
The
as well.
metal?
Yeah.
Yeah, because I think it's bent a certain way because of the way it was removed.
Oh. I think it's supposed to be like that.
You think so?
I think. Granted, I also think this is supposed to be like that, but
Like what?
like this.
No, because then how would it? It's
Yeah.
got to go up like this because this seals against the hood.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I think this is how it's supposed to go.
No, I'm going to tell you why it goes the other way.
Because they don't line up.
No, because when it was removed,
Yeah.
see, wait, leave the gasket there. Because when it was removed, when those screws, because this was already partially removed when we got it.
Oh, yeah.
You remove a screw and pull on it, that's why it kept getting bent this way out.
That's right.
Okay? That's just my guess. I don't know. I could be completely wrong. But
We could both be wrong. in
yeah,
this.
it goes this way. I need you to hold both the metal and the.
Yep.
Okay, let go of the metal just a little bit. Oh, screwdriver.
Screwdriver. You want me to do the end one over here so we
No,
can
we want to work that way so we
Okay.
don't get a bulge in the middle.
Okay, makes sense.
Should pretty well line up.
Yeah, they seem to be. So far, I'd say we're doing quite nice. Quite nice.
Keep it tucked. That angle should stay tucked down to the metal there. Okay, see if I can reach one more, and then I'll turn it over to you.
Alright. And there's 10 screws in total.
Think you can handle the next one?
I think so.
I'll come around on the other side.
Oh. I was like, what are they doing?
Good. Perfect. See, I was noticing right here there's factory dimples for those washer nozzles that we
then
got.
You can see where they
And then
go
there's a
right
hole
there.
here where the hose comes up and then it pokes through here towards the windshield. We'll install those later.
Later project.
Yeah. Pretty good, pretty good. Last one.
There we go.
Dang, Rye, you're getting pretty good at this stuff.
Slowly.
I think I'm gonna have to retire and let you finish putting this car back together. What do you think, Dad? Should we let Ryder finish it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dang, still got a little bit
think
of
so.
learning to do.
Yeah, that's all right. Cool. Well, that looks pretty good. There's a little wobble in it, but I think it's because that gasket came rolled up
Yeah,
in an
probably.
envelope. So once we close the hood on it and it sits out in the sun for a while, it'll be fine.
Yeah.
I'm not worried about it. Cool. Good
Nothing
job.
to stress about.
Hey, until next time, be excellent to each other.
See ya.
You know, say it's cousin Ryan on the Hollywood Boulevard. You know, say he bigger than any superstar. All of us spit you some real dope bar. Some of them sweeter than any chocolate bar. Boom!
Hey.